Hello guys. I'm back for the Nasdaq and SP500. So this will actually be very short. And I noticed that the other video had some lagging issues. So I've changed the settings a little bit. So I hope it will sort that out. So I'll do the analysis maybe on. I wanted to do the analysis on the futures chart, but it's looking the same. So I will do it on CFDs so that we can just get done with it as quick as possible. So I did mention that we are stuck in a very nasty daily consolidation. This is a nasty daily consolidation on Nasdaq, and I do not like what I'm seeing. So I'm trading with a lot of caution. However, my target on Nasdaq is still the relative equal highs, and we have even added more relative equal highs, which is here. So immediately that is where my eyes are drawn to when I look at this chart. Okay, my eyes are just drawn to that. Those are two smooth relative equal highs, so I really want them. I really want us to get that. Okay, so what I will be doing today, I will be waiting for the 9:30 open, and then during the 9:30 open I will be using a very classic uh, uh, ICT strategy, that whereby I will be drawing the sell side liquidity that will be present during that time, although we can still draw it right now. So this is the sell side liquidity that we can see right now. Okay, on both assets we have that on the 1 hour chart. So that is what I will be waiting to be swept at 9:30, although we have already done that here. So yeah, basically that is what I will be waiting for, to be swept here. And then once we sweep that inside a very key time window between because we are at 3, so I do not expect us right now to sweep this and start rallying to the upside. So at 9:30 I will be expecting to catch something after a sell side liquidity sweep. So maybe even go to the 5 minute or something like that. I will draw out the sell side liquidity that will be present. So right now I'm just showing you an example of what I will be waiting for. So as soon as we see that, I will be going to the lower time frames, maybe the 5 minute or even the 3 minute, and I will look for a change in state of delivery to the upside, and I will trade that. So I am interested in longs because the daily structure, even though it is choppy, uh, we really are just trading to the upside. So as you can see, we had this liquidity sweep on Wednesday, 8th July, which was I think last week. We had that sweep, then traded to the upside, formed this daily change in state of delivery, retraced to the downside, started to pump to the upside. We have been unable to form another break of structure here, so but I still expect that to happen. So I am bullish in general, so that is what I will be looking for at 9:30. So today I do not want to trade any other time because, as I have told you, I am being very cautious with this choppy price action. So part of being cautious with choppy price action is not trading before 9:30. Okay, so during choppy times I go back to the foundational rules, which are for example, for a beginner, you do not trade Nasdaq and SP500 anywhere before the 9:30 open. So today I will be using that rule until we break out of this nasty consolidation. So yeah, because I do not see any 4 hour fair value gaps, and then I think this is too low to sweep, because if we sweep this, then going back to the upside will be uh, too much for a daily range that is around 686 pips. So that feels like too much movement during one day. But if it happens, then okay, which means we will have swept the previous day low, which I don't think is necessary. Looking from the daily chart, I just want us to maybe cover 50% of this week. So it's very choppy price action, so that is why you will notice that I am all over the place with this analysis. But I have said that I will be waiting for 9:30 open, waiting for a sell side liquidity sweep, and then yeah, basically that's it, man. That's it. Sell side liquidity sweep during the 9:30 open, then targeting these relative equal highs that are resting above here. So this is my drawn liquidity today. Yes, that that's actually the only thing that I should be saying. This is my uh I expect us to purge these highs. So let's see how that goes. And from the way we are dropping, I think we are about to sweep this sell side liquidity. So maybe I might be tempted to take longs if price gives me longs from this position, because this is an order block, this is sell side liquidity, so we can actually mark that out. You see how price plays out when you wait. Okay, so this is an order block. This is a very good 1 hour order block. Where is it? OB. Yeah, so maybe you can sweep that, retest this order block, but today I do not want us to close below this, because this is a very important week for me, and I do not think we should be going below 29 485 248. Okay, so I do not think we should be going anywhere below that. So yeah, basically that's it. That's what I want to see. Let's see how we react to these levels, and then I will be waiting for price maybe on the 5 minute once we start reacting to those levels, and then see what it gives me. But I'm really not, if I engage during London session, I will be engaging with very low risk setups. It will very low risk low risk. I will be risking very little of my capital in these trades. So yeah, but my daily drawn liquidity is here, the relative equal highs, and I want to get them somewhere below these levels. So yeah, that's it. And if we can maybe do a quick, these are trade. Okay, uh, let me just stop there. It's very choppy, and I do want to see a sell side liquidity sweep and maybe retest of an order block before I engage in that price action, uh, just to reduce the level to which I will confuse you. Uh, that is all I will say for now. Let's see how price reacts to this level. I would advise that you engage after 9:30, as that is also what I will be mostly be doing today. So yeah, that's it for Nasdaq and SP500. Like I said, it will not be long, it will be as short as possible. So a 4 hour fair value gap here, an order block. Let's see how price reacts to these levels. Actually, that's actually very solid, very solid, that's very solid what analysis. Okay, let's see how price reacts to that. Also, this is a 1 hour change in state of delivery level, so let's see how price comes and reacts to these levels. So something like this on the 1 hour. Come on, where are my arrows? Okay, mm, same here, although we might be getting, yeah. So yes, I think that's it for now. If we can go deeper, then maybe, yeah, then leave